to like, nice. So your burp was better there. Well, that one had a different tone to it.
Ew.
Did you get the barf there?
No.
I think that was a burp hiccup combo. Like, I feel like the only way I could reject this booty call tonight would be just to like pretend like I never saw it and then right in the morning. I don't think I could respond and be like, not tonight. Like, I don't think I could say a no. Even yesterday with those guys hitting on me, like I could have just been like, no, thank you. But instead I still drop excuses. Like, I'm on my period. I'm raging. I gotta go home and bleed after this. I'm sorry.
I've never heard
like 5 times what I'm doing after. What are you doing after this? I'm going home to bleed. Which I know. I was like, I just know. Like, nice. I know. I couldn't remember. I changed the rule of like I happened to be sitting. There was a giant box of like toilet paper underneath me at the bar. I wasn't sitting at the bar.
Why?
But then I went to the bathroom and there was no toilet paper. So then I went back and I was like, I'm just gonna like restock your bathroom because I was clearly sitting right beside your giant box of toilet paper. There's no bar stools anymore. I'm just like, I think I'm literally drinking in dry storage. Like, I was sitting by the payphone and like 2 giant boxes of like.
There's still a payphone?
There's still a payphone in this bar. And I'm sitting by the payphone and like 2 giant boxes of toilet paper. So I fully knew where the toilet paper was. I didn't have to go to the bartender and be like, hey, can you restock the bathroom? I was like, hey, Peter. I was like, I'm going to restock the bathroom. Stall number 1's at a teepee. And I just like, he's like, let me give you the key. You get it.
Okay, this is going to be the...
Oh, wait, ready for this?
That sounds like somebody saying... They were like drowning. Oh, help me.
Clock your time. So I feel like you have a good chance of getting.
What was that noise?
Oh yeah, you want to play that game, Jen? Feels so good.